you got to have a level. I've got several 2-foot levels. I've got a 4-foot level. I do not have a 6-foot level. You have. Do you feel like that a 6-foot level is absolutely paramount? It's something that everybody must have, or is that maybe go into the wish list sort of area?
Well, again, as a gift idea, if your weekend warrior has a 2-foot level and they have a 4-foot level and they don't have a 6-foot level, there's definitely an opportunity there. What I will say is that, if you're installing a door, for instance, a 6-foot level is required. I mean, to be honest with you, you need a 6-foot level to install a door correctly. Can you get it done with a 4-foot level? Sure. Is it going to be right? Maybe.
Maybe.
I mean, it's very important. If you're trying to plumb something that's longer than 4 feet, 5, 6 feet. I mean, a door is 6'8".
Mm-hmm.
On a 4-foot level, the distance that it can be off in that length,
Oh yeah,
can be detrimental to the door operation.
absolutely.
So,
I'll tell you what, the times that I've had to borrow a 6-foot level in the past because I didn't have one, a lot of times I was working out in the yard. If you're building a retaining wall or building planters out of blocks or pavers, especially pavers, it's really great to have a longer level. It really gives you a more accurate picture of what is happening as you're moving along in this project. And it's very easy to get off. And then later you look back at that wall or that paver patio and you're like, oh, it's diving off right there.
It's a little wavy.
It's not as level or straight as I wanted it to be. A 6-foot level can help you out with that.
Yeah.
So if you're doing landscape work, that's another really good reason to have a 6-foot level.
And if you want the cream of the crop, Stabila.
Yeah.
Stabila levels. They're bright yellow, and they're kind of known throughout the construction world as the best levels.
They do a good job. You can get those at Par Lumber for sure.
A little spendy.
Yeah, they can be
But they're
expensive.
nice.